Yeah, I ain't playing, nigga. Yeah. All facts, little nigga. Look. If you ain't my mans, back the fuck back before I paint your ass. Back the fuck back before I erase your ass. Back the fuck back or that K gon' blast. You bought that cheap ass weed, that shit taste so bad. Thought your ass had a plug that damn near laced your ass. When I fuck your bitch, she telling me to stand in it. She so real, she ain't never used no hands with it. Your old nigga didn't invest in your plans, did he? Just be talking, I guess he ain't had no bag really. Selling all them fucking dreams, niggas mad silly. Tell them get up out them jeans, them bitches mad dilly. Fucking with the young boss, they wanna act like me. Stealing flows, they wanna rap like me. Trying to get the same clothes, they wanna match my fleet. Everybody trying to do back to back like me. Yeah. Without no lights on my diamonds dance. I swear my life feel like Simon Says. Got it to the crib, lost my perk, I gotta find my meds. I would put you back on, but you lying instead. I say long live my fucking dog. A lot of people that I love, I can't trust at all. Won't hit no cut with y'all, can't hit no blunt with y'all. I had enough of y'all. Yeah, when I hit the game, I enter through the portal. Yeah, I'm immortal, nigga, I'm immortal. A lot of people say they for you, but ain't really for you. Worry about my dollars, but they ain't give me a quarter. They see I'm popping out of y'all trying to be all supportive. And y'all supposed to be the ones in my fucking corner. Yeah, really in that water, I don't need no snow.